Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best gaming setting for your LG Ultragear gaming monitor. Now it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to set the highest refresh rate possible because the higher your refresh rate, the smoother the display is going to be. Head over to the Windows display setting, click Advanced Display Setting, and from there you want to select the highest refresh rate possible. I also suggest that you choose a display port in order to connect it with your monitor because it can actually unlock higher refresh rate if possible. Now you want to access the OSD controls of your Ultragear monitor, which is going to be a joystick right behind the monitor itself, which will then open up the settings. Apply the following options right here. For refresh rate, use 240, which is going to be the highest possible hertz. For adaptive sync, it's going to be on. Game mode is gamer 1. Response time fast, you don't want to set it to the maximum because it can actually cause ghosting. Black stabilizer is 50 and 55. Dynamic action sync on. HDR is going to be off. Now for those picture settings, set your brightness to 35 or 45. Contrast at 70. Sharpness at 50. Mode or gamma is going to be set to mode 2. The color temperature is going to be warm, and the color gamut is sRGB. Now for some additional settings, basically for FPS gamers out there, you just want to use the options right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.